You probably have all three of these ingredients sitting right now in your kitchen. Olive oil, a little raw honey, and cinnamon. But what happens when you combine them before? Bed might completely change how your heart and arteries function. This is not a fad or an internet trick. There's real physiology behind this, and it's a simple mix that can help your blood vessels heal and restore themselves while you sleep. Every day, your arteries are taking a beating. Stress, inflammation, blood pressure spikes, sugar, processed oils. All of it slowly stiffens this delicate lining inside your arteries, called the endothelium. That lining is alive. It's the control center that opens and closes your arteries with every heartbeat. And when it becomes inflamed and rigid, blood pressure rises, circulation weakens, and nitric oxide. Your body's natural artery relaxer starts to shut down. That's when your heart begins, working overtime to push blood through the tight neural passages. This nightly mix is designed to give that system a break to let your arteries restore their flexibility and oxygen flow naturally. Let's start with olive oil. High-quality extra virgin olive oils rich in compounds called polyphenols, particularly hydroxytyrosol and oleuropein. These are not just antioxidants. They are biological activators. They stimulate an enzyme in your arteries known as endothelial nitric oxide, synthase or enos. And when that enzyme switches on, your body releases nitric oxide, a tiny gas molecule that tells your arteries to relax and expand. It's like flipping the light switch for better circulation. Blood pressure drops, oxygen delivery increases, and the entire cardiovascular system begins to calm. Olive oil's monounsaturated fats also protects the inner vessel walls from oxidative stress and stops the bad cholesterol, the LDL cholesterol, from becoming sticky and toxic. That means less arterial wear and tear and better nutrient flow to your heart as well as your brain. Now we add just a touch of raw honey. Not a full teaspoon, just about 1/4 of one. We're not adding sweetness, we're adding chemistry. Honey is loaded with natural enzymes and antioxidants that lower inflammatory markers like C-reactive protein. But it also helps reduce nighttime cortisol. When cortisol levels stay high, arteries stay tense. When cortisol levels drop, nitric oxide remains active much longer, allowing your vessels to repair while you rest. Think of this little bit of honey as the signal to your body that it's safe to enter the healing mode. And finally, a light sprinkle of cinnamon. Cinnamon contains compounds that increase insulin sensitivity and keeps your nighttime blood sugar stable. Stable glucose means everything. It means less endothelial stress, less glycation, less stiffness, and better blood flow. Cinnamon also improves microirculation by reducing blood viscosity, allowing oxygen and nutrients to travel more freely to the tissues that need them most. Together, these three, olive oil to open, honey to calm, and cinnamon to balance, creates a synergy that supports the body's natural vascular reset every night. So here's how you do it. In a small cup, you'll mix 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, about a 4 teaspoon of raw honey, and a light dusting of cinnamon. Stir it gently and take it slowly about 20 to 30 minutes before bed. You can even dilute it with a tablespoon of warm water if you prefer it smoother. But while you sleep, that nitric oxide levels will start to rise. Your vessels will soften and your heart rate lowers. Over time, this can translate to warmer hands and feet, clearer mental focus, and steadier morning energy. These are signs that your circulation is improving. Now listen carefully. Your arteries are not lifeless tubes that stiffen with age. They're living tissue designed to heal, to adapt, and to grow young again when you feed them the right information. Every heartbeat that you feel is your body asking for care, not neglect. This mix is more than a bedtime routine. It's a message of gratitude to the system that kept you alive since the day you were born. You can't buy new arteries, but you can rebuild the ones that you have. Stay consistent, stay disciplined, and never forget the smallest nightly act can change the direction of your health forever. I hope this video is informative for you. Please pass it on to your friends and family. Leave your comments below, and most important, make it a great day.